Google Calendar's color coding feature is a powerful tool that helps you visually organize your schedule and quickly identify different types of events at a glance. There are two distinct levels of color coding in Google Calendar: calendar level coloring and event level coloring. Understanding both methods will help you create an effective organizational system. Calendar level coloring assigns a default color to each of your calendars. For example, you might have a blue calendar for work events, a green calendar for personal activities, and a red calendar for family events. All events within each calendar automatically inherit that calendar's color. Event-level coloring allows you to override your calendar's default color for specific events. This is particularly useful for highlighting important deadlines, prioritizing tasks, or tracking specific projects within your broader calendar categories. Changing colors is straightforward on both web and mobile platforms. On the web version, simply right-click any event, select Edit Event, and choose from the color palette. On mobile apps, tap the event, select Edit, and look for the color option in the event details. Google Calendar currently offers 24 predefined colors in its standard palette, ranging from traditional blues and reds to newer options like sage and flamingo. The web version also supports custom colors using hex codes for unlimited customization. Recent updates have integrated Material, U-Design principles, providing dynamic color palettes that adapt to your preferences and system theme. The foundation of effective calendar color coding is simplicity. Start with just 3 to 4 colors for your major life categories. Consistency is crucial. Each color should always mean the same thing across all your calendars. Red for urgent tasks and deadlines, blue for work-related events, green for personal time, and orange for social activities. Here's what effective color coding looks like in practice. Notice how this weekly calendar uses distinct colors to separate different types of activities, making it easy to scan and understand at a glance. For team collaboration, establish shared color standards that everyone follows. This team calendar demonstrates how consistent color coding helps multiple people coordinate their schedules effectively. Here are the key best practices to remember. Avoid using too many colors as it creates visual chaos. Regular review and adjustment of your system is essential for maintaining effectiveness. Research shows that professionals using color-coded calendars report improved productivity and reduced missed appointments. Visual organization through color coding can reduce cognitive load by up to 30%, leading to better decision-making and time allocation. Remember to consider accessibility when choosing your color system. Select colors that work for all team members, including those who may be colorblind. High contrast options and consistent patterns help ensure everyone can effectively use your color-coded system.